Hey, what's going on? Today we are making a video on how to spike up your hair or how to charge up your hair. The background photo is punks in Mexico. I had a really good time there a couple years ago at a punk show. Punks there even help each other at the show, spiking up each other's hair. How awesome is that? They bring a soap bar and spike each other's hair at the show. I don't see that in America. I think that's amazing. Hey everyone, today we're making a video on how to spike up your hair. You're gonna need a bowl and a soap and put a little bit of water in the bowl. Not too much, just a little. So what you're gonna do is get a little bit of water on the soap and you're gonna rub it. Keep rubbing it until it turns to a paste. It has to be like a paste, not as a foam. Because if it's a foam, like bubbly, that means there's too much water. So it has to be like this. So from here, you're gonna touch your scalp first. Touch your scalp, like massage it gently. Then you're gonna spike it up. So start from the bottom and going up like that. So just a little bit of water and rub. It has to be like a paste, like almost like a toothpaste, but don't use too much. So starting from the scalp, massage a little. Then go slowly up like this. Another thing is, before you spike it, you do not want to wash your hair, because if you use shampoo or conditioner, what's going to happen is it's going to just go back down. So it's going to be really hard if you use conditioner, if your hair is too clean. And for those of you who have thin hair, my hair is pretty thick, so it goes up really easily. If you have thin hair, what you want to do is use a blow dryer. So like you hold on to it, put the soap on, starting from the scalp. The reason you have to gently massage the scalp with the soap is because you'll make the root hard. So you got to make the bottom hard, so it'll stay up. Then blow dry it. That's for people who have thin hair. So start from the bottom, then go up like this. And once it gets dry, it's gonna get really hard. So you don't need a hairspray or anything. Just soap and water. So when I do on this side, I don't want to do another one on this side because, oh fuck, I didn't press record on my other phone. Oops. So once I do on this side, you want to do the other side, so it get time to get dried as well. So massage the scalp, starting from the root, then go all the way to the tip. Like that. Hey, so that's it. So I'm done spiking up my hair. You just have to wait till it gets dried. It's not quite dried yet. You just have to wait a little till it gets dried. So once it gets dried, you could go out and stuff. Okay, so if the soap doesn't work that good on your hair, what you could do is go to the health food store and just buy all different types of soap. Get a bunch of them, and you might have to test it out first. So these are all like different types of soap you could get at a health food store. They're all cruelty free and not tested on animals. And out of here, there's 2 oatmeal soap. This one and the bar, the thick bar. This one works good. But what you could do is from all these soaps that you get from the health food store, here's another oatmeal soap too. And this is a shea butter almond, and this is a seaweed soap, with seaweed. But anyways, to cut this short is get a soap that does not have many ingredients. There's like too many ingredients. If you don't know what it is, that means they're using too much fragrance and stuff. So to do a test, let's say you have 4 different soap. So this is just for a test. You're gonna do 4 spikes. So soap 1, you spike 1 hair. Soap 2, spike the other hair. Soap 3, spike the 3rd spike with soap 3. Soap 4, spike it up. So you have only 4 spikes. So you wait until it gets dry, and whatever holds the hardest is the soap that's gonna work. So, and if you have long hair, pretty much you're gonna end up using a blow dryer, because like I said, some people have thin hair, some people have thick hair. So for me, yeah, my hair's thick, so I don't need a blow dryer. But the next video, I mean, you could click on the link down if you have long hair, because my friend Rob from Total Chaos, he came over to my pad and made this video like a few years ago. So you could check that out if you have long hair. And you might have to use a hairspray if you have long hair. So after soap, use your hairspray. I mean, not long hair, I mean thin hair. If you have thin hair, after soap, then you gotta use a hairspray. All right, that's about it.